Welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring for you new dish tagliatelle with winter truffle. This is so easy and simple to make it, and taste it's just amazing. First of all, I need to introduce some truffle paste. It's the black truffle, quite strong flavor and little bit of darkness. This is a medium size, so this is with mixed with mushroom and mild flavor, just good one. And this one I found a little bit of better, very creamy on truffle flavor is good. This is such a nice truffle paste mixed with cream. So I'm going to start with boiling the water. Take the pan on the flame and small stick of butter, 1 tablespoon paste, and 120 ml of fresh cream. Just cook it slowly in medium flame. Same time, season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't cook longer. When you cook it longer, it's flat. This is so fatty. So much butter into that. Take the fresh tagliatelle, or if you like any pasta. I just cooked 2 minutes of the fresh tagliatelle. Just take it out and add into the sauce. Once you just mix it, then I'm going to use a little bit of more flavor for the truffle and 1 tablespoon parmesan cheese. So your thickness is so good, sauce is so thick, and pasta is ready to eat now. This is so simple and delicious pasta. Anytime, lunch, dinner, you can have it. So that's the simple recipe for the truffle pasta. For extra flavor, you can add some truffle on the top. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and see you next video.